Samsung's upcoming foldable lineup is poised to deliver substantial improvements alongside some contentious adjustments, particularly with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to Ross Young, the CEO of Display Supply Chain Consultants, this latest iteration is set to incorporate some of the most remarkable features from the special edition of its predecessor. For instance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature an impressive 8-inch inner display, offering a more expansive viewing experience compared to the previous model, alongside a 6.5-inch cover screen, marking a significant upgrade from last year's standard model. These changes reflect Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of foldable technology. In addition to the larger display, the new design is expected to be thinner, making the device more comfortable to handle and feature a less noticeable crease, which has been a key concern for foldable phone users. Furthermore, the inclusion of a punch-hole inner camera is set to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the screen while also improving the user experience, creating a more seamless and immersive display. These upgrades combine to elevate both the functionality and visual appeal of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, positioning it as one of the most anticipated devices in Samsung's foldable series. One of the most unexpected features in the latest device specifications is the inclusion of a 200-megapixel camera, which is a significant leap forward in smartphone photography. However, it appears that Samsung is making some compromises, especially when it comes to the S Pen. According to display expert Ross Young, the device will lack a crucial component called the digitizer, which is essential for the proper functionality of the S Pen. As a result, not only will the stylus itself be missing, but the built-in slot to house the stylus will also be absent. This change reduces the device's overall thickness by 0.6 mm, making it sleeker and more compact. However, this move might disappoint users who have come to appreciate the enhanced flexibility and productivity the S Pen has provided over the years. What's also noteworthy is the speculation surrounding Samsung's efforts to create alternative technology that could allow the S Pen to be used without the need for a traditional digitizer. This potential innovation, however, is still in its early stages, with reports suggesting that it won't be ready for commercial release until 2026. While it is too soon to say whether this breakthrough technology will make its way into this particular device, the decision to omit the S Pen for the time being may end up being a controversial one. Fans of the stylus, who have long valued its ability to improve workflow and multitasking, may not easily embrace the change. Samsung seems to have carefully considered the confusion caused by last year's decision to release two versions of their device simultaneously, and it appears they've taken note of the feedback. Rumors circulating suggest that there will be no special edition version of this upcoming device, signaling a shift in strategy. By forgoing a special edition, Samsung ensures that early adopters won't feel disheartened by a more advanced model being released shortly after the original launch, providing a sense of consistency and fairness for customers. In contrast, Samsung's clamshell series is expected to receive some notable upgrades that should excite fans of this innovative design. The smaller foldable model will see a significant improvement in its display size. Its internal screen will grow from 6.7 inches to a larger 6.85 inches, offering a more immersive viewing experience, while the external cover display is set to expand to a generous 4 inches, providing more utility for users. Additionally, Samsung plans to introduce a more affordable option within this foldable series known as the Flip VA model. This variant is expected to be more budget-conscious, powered by an Exynos chipset, most likely manufactured using Samsung's cutting-edge 3nm production process, which will bring both performance and power efficiency at a lower price point. There is also speculation that the standard clamshell model could be equipped with the new Exynos 2500 processor, which is expected to power the flagship foldable devices. However, despite these rumors, Samsung remains loyal to its partnership with Qualcomm. The company is set to continue equipping all its devices, including the clamshell models, with Snapdragon processors. This decision will ensure that the performance and energy efficiency of the devices remain top-notch, regardless of the region, allowing Samsung to maintain its reputation for delivering high-quality performance across global markets. As for availability and pricing, Samsung is expected to stick with its usual release schedule, unveiling its flagship foldable device around the late summer of 2025. Given the history of its pricing strategy for foldables, the starting price will likely be quite high, potentially surpassing $1,799, in line with what we've seen for previous generations of the device. According to a report from Jukanlus Rev, Samsung is planning a significant reduction in its production plans for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, aiming to produce a total of roughly 5 million units. This figure includes an estimated 3 million units of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and 2 million units of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. These projections represent a considerable drop compared to the production goals for the current generation of foldables. For the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, Samsung had initially set an ambitious target of 8.2 million units. The decision to scale down the production numbers for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 appears to be a response to the lackluster sales performance of their predecessors, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. What do you think about the removal of S Pen support in the upcoming foldables? Are you disappointed by this change? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future content and news.